Welcome back to the crypto discipline. Today, we're going to take a detailed look at how to use CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko to research cryptocurrencies. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by all the data out there, or wondered how to differentiate between good and bad crypto projects, this video is for you. We'll break down both platforms, step by step, so even beginners can feel confident navigating the world of crypto research. Let's get started. 1. What are CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko? CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko are two of the most popular platforms for researching cryptocurrencies. They provide detailed information about different coins, such as market capitalization, trading volume, price history, and much more. Using these platforms, you can make well-informed decisions about which cryptocurrencies are worth your investment. 2. How to use CoinMarketCap. Let's start with CoinMarketCap. This platform is widely regarded as one of the best tools for getting a quick overview of the entire crypto market. Here's how to use it effectively. Navigating CoinMarketCap. Homepage overview. The homepage of CoinMarketCap lists the top cryptocurrencies by market cap. You can see Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and other major projects. You'll also notice data like 24-hour price changes, market cap, and volume. How to look up a coin. In the search bar at the top, type the name or symbol of the coin you're interested in. Let's say Polkadot. Click on the result to get detailed information about the coin. Understanding key metrics. Market cap. This is the total value of the coin in circulation and is calculated by multiplying the current price by the circulating supply. A higher market cap generally indicates a more established and stable coin. Why it matters. Coins with a higher market cap tend to be less volatile, making them safer for long-term investments. It also signifies the overall adoption and trust in the project. Circulating supply. This shows how many coins are currently available in the market. Why it matters. Understanding the supply helps assess a coin's scarcity. Coins with a limited supply tend to become more valuable as demand increases. Volume, 24H. This represents the total trading volume of the coin across all exchanges in the last 24 hours. High volume means a lot of activity, good for liquidity. Why it matters. High volume indicates strong interest and liquidity, which means you can buy and sell the coin easily without drastic price changes. Historical data. Scroll down to see the price history of the coin. This is useful for spotting trends and seeing how the coin has performed over time. Why it matters. Historical data helps identify patterns in price movement, allowing you to determine good entry or exit points. Additional features. Price charts. CoinMarketCap offers a chart where you can analyze the price movement of the coin over different time frames. 1 day, 7 days, 1 month, etc. Links to white papers. On the coins page, you'll often find links to the official website and white paper. Always use these links to avoid scams. Why it matters. The white paper provides an in-depth understanding of the project, its mission, technology, and roadmap. Market pairs. This section shows where the coin is traded and which exchanges have it listed. It's useful to compare prices across different platforms. 3. How to use CoinGecko. Next up, we have CoinGecko. This platform provides much of the same information as CoinMarketCap, but it also has some unique features that make it a favorite among crypto enthusiasts. Let's take a closer look. Navigating CoinGecko. Homepage overview. The homepage lists the top cryptocurrencies, just like CoinMarketCap, but also provides additional data, such as developer activity and community engagement. Searching for a coin. Use the search bar to look up a coin. Let's use Chainlink link as an example. Click on the coin to see detailed information. Key metrics on CoinGecko. Developer activity. This is a unique feature of CoinGecko. It shows how active the developers are. Projects with a lot of ongoing development are generally more trustworthy. Why it matters. Active development means that the project is continuously improving, adding new features, and addressing issues, which makes it a more promising investment. Community engagement. This shows how active the project's community is on social media platforms like Twitter, Reddit, and Telegram. A strong community can be a good indicator of interest and support for the project. Why it matters. A strong community often means there will be higher demand for the coin, as community members actively promote and support the project. Trust score. When looking at the markets where a coin is traded, CoinGecko provides a trust score for each exchange, helping you choose reliable platforms to trade on. Why it matters. This helps avoid unreliable exchanges where trades may not be secure or fairly executed. Additional features. Social metrics. CoinGecko provides data about social media activity, which can help you gauge the popularity of a project. Why it matters. Social buzz often leads to increased interest and can cause price spikes, which may be an opportunity for investment. Tokenomics. Like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko also shows details about market cap, circulating supply, and total supply. Why it matters. Understanding the tokenomics of a project helps you gauge its long-term potential, including factors like scarcity and inflation. 4. Comparing coins using CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. One of the most useful things you can do with these platforms is compare different coins to make more informed investment decisions. Let me show you how. Comparison tips. Market cap versus potential. Compare the market cap of two coins to see which one has more room to grow. For example, Cardano, ADA, might have a lower market cap compared to Ethereum, ETH, meaning it has more room to grow if it gains adoption. Why it matters. Comparing market caps helps you identify undervalued projects with significant growth potential. Volume and liquidity. Always check the 24-hour volume to make sure the coin is actively traded. High volume means better liquidity, which is important if you want to enter or exit trades quickly. Why it matters. High liquidity ensures you can buy or sell without impacting the price significantly, which is crucial for managing risk. Developer activity and community support. Use CoinGecko's metrics to compare how active the development teams are and how supportive the communities are. A project with active developers and a strong community is generally a better investment. Why it matters. Developer activity signals continuous improvement, while community support signals a wider adoption potential. 5. How to find reliable information and avoid scams. The crypto space is full of opportunities, but it's also full of scams. Here's how to make sure you're getting reliable information. Tips for finding reliable information. Use official links. CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko often provide official links to the project's website, social media, and white paper. Always use these links to ensure you're visiting the correct, official sites. Why it matters. Using official links helps you avoid phishing websites that try to steal your information. Check social media presence. Projects with active social media channels are more likely to be legitimate. Check their Twitter, Telegram, and Reddit to see how engaged they are. Why it matters. An engaged community is usually a good indicator that the project is healthy and supported. White paper. Always read the white paper of the project to understand its mission and technology. If a project doesn't have a white paper or it's poorly written, that's a major red flag. Why it matters. The white paper provides insights into the project's goals, use cases, and roadmap, helping you determine if it has long-term viability. Key takeaways. Use CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. These platforms are your go-to tools for researching cryptocurrencies and getting reliable data. Understand key metrics. Knowing how to interpret market cap, trading volume, and developer activity will help you make better investment decisions. Compare and verify. Always compare coins and verify information using official links to avoid scams. Thank you for watching the Crypto Discipline. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Stay disciplined and stay informed.